I would say that impression management actually refers to the process where one can control or influence what others have of you as their perception. You need to be, thinking about how they think about you. It is the practice of trying to influence or impact the perception of other people. And why do you need to understand that? You need to be able to understand how impression management works so that it can help you to be more effective at work, to be able to land a job and accomplish professional goals. You have to understand that when you're applying for a job, it is going to be a tight competition, which means that it's mandatory for you to stand out. You have to stand out. All right. And it's important for you to make a great impression as soon as you decide to apply for that job, meaning from the very first contact that you have with the company, which is probably through email, through your resume, your video introduction, or maybe SMS. I don't know. But when you're submitting a cover letter, so making a good impression helps your entry, your application entry, get shuffled to the top of the list and increases your chances of actually getting that job interview, getting an email wherein they're going to be inviting you for an interview, because that's the first progress. So paying attention to perception that others have about you, it's not at all a negative thing. Okay. If I can reiterate that, especially when you're looking for a job. Okay. Now, if we're not going to talk about job application, for example, where would we, let's talk about examples, for example, in different settings of impression management. Okay. If you're meeting your in-laws for the first time, you're going to be conscious of what you're going to wear, what you're going to be, what are the values that you want to show these people. And because your partner or your husband mentioned to you that they're simple, they're humble people, you want to come across humble. You don't want to go there all fancy, isn't it? You want to go ahead and be there looking humble, simple, nothing fancy, because your partner told you so about their background. And that gives them the impression that you hold similar values. And it's all because you showed up the right way. That's setting the right first impression. What else? In an interview, when you start connecting with your interviewer, you're also asking questions about their mission, values, or you pick up something in their website and you guys connected. That's actually a good thing, because you can even express on how you can make it better, and that puts you in a very positive side in an interview. And it is because you gave that impression that you did your research first of all, and that you're all interested about the job, about what the company is all about. Okay, so there, your confidence during interviews is all going to be there. It's all going to be shown during your interviews. They can feel that you're confident if you're prepared for it. If you comb your hair, for example, during the interview, if you fix your background, if you and if you made sure that you researched on the answers, or the questions that they normally ask, it would come across that you really prepared for it, and you'll probably get the job, right? How about the quality and the requirements that you're submitting during interview? What is the impression that you're setting, right? So it's the same thing. If you're looking like, if you want to look presentable or responsible for that matter, what is the impression that you're going to set? You want to set the impression that you have a really clear background, that you are a responsible person by cutting your nails, by combing your hair during the interview, by making sure that you know how to be responsible for yourself. Because how can the interviewer feel that you are a responsible person if you don't know how to take care of yourself? So that's setting the impression right. What else? Quality resume, of course, and your quality video introduction, which we're going to be able to talk about while we go on.